My name is Leah and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Black Friday Gymshark haul. This is all the stuff I could get on their blackout sale. Now, mind you, a lot of the stuff I wanted was completely sold out. I placed an order the same day blackout started at 10:30 in the morning, and unfortunately that order didn't go through, so I had to place another order about 3 hours later when there was pretty much nothing left. I mean, there was some stuff left, but not exactly what I wanted. Everything that was like under $20 sold out, and that was like the majority of my order. So today I'm going to be doing a try-on haul for what I actually got. I hope you guys are as excited as I am, because like I have low-key, high-key been obsessed with Gymshark. Like I spent so much money in this sale. I am also sorry if you hear like the leaf blower in the background. Someone's doing it outside even though there aren't really any leaves, but... So as you can see, I completely ripped this little baby open, but this is everything that Gymshark has sent me. Not sent me, this is everything I bought from Gymshark, so I'm just gonna dump it out and we're gonna start going through it. Woo. So the total of my order was $248.20. I did get free shipping and this did come in about 2 days. I don't know how it came so fast, but it literally like flew itself over here. One thing that I love about Gymshark is that they have these cute little bags. I wish they were like reusable or something. I don't know what I would use it for, but they're just, their packaging is on point. So the first thing that I bought was the Slouch crop top. It is in this kind of top color, and I did get a small. It just looks like this. It's very comfortable, very relaxing. It has this cute little detail on the bottom where it kind of goes lower, so it's not too cropped, but it is still cropped. The next thing I got were the leggings to go with it. It is the Slouch leggings, and it is a size small. I found that these were a little too big for me, so this I will be returning. But it is really comfortable and really cute. So the Slouch crop top was $19.60. And the Slouch leggings were $28.80. So that was about 50 bucks right there in just this one set. The next thing I am going to show you guys, I was so excited to get. I actually got it in an extra small because sadly it was the only thing left. In my original order, I got these in the pink ones, but it didn't go through. So I settled for an extra small on the ombre leggings, and bro, this is so cute. This has to be like my favorite pair of leggings from Gymshark. It's just this perfect blue color. It's deep teal and ice blue, and to me, this is like everything. I love how high it goes. I love how stretchy it is, and it's just so flattering. So those leggings retailed for about $25, and usually they're like 40 something, so great deal on them. On to the next thing. The next thing that I got was this Energy Seamless crop top. I tried so hard to get the leggings, but this color is amazing. I think this color looks great on everyone. So it is a green color and it's just a crop top. This does go down pretty far. The back has like this cute little cross thing happening, and all the little details like with the holes on the side of the shirt. It's so freaking cute. This crop top was $20 and I do not regret buying it whatsoever. I'm actually so happy I was able to snag this little baby up. Now the next thing I bought, I am completely obsessed with. It has easily become my new favorite sports bra. It's just so cute. It makes your boobs look great. I'm not really one to show boobs at the gym, but this sports bra is just so cute. So it is the Elite sports bra in black. It kind of has like this crossover thing happening in the front. So cute. It pushes up your girls perfectly. It's not too revealing, which I love, and then they have the little Gymshark symbol, which I am obsessed with. I think it is the cutest thing ever. In the back, it just has this little action going on. Not too much. It's very supportive, and I did get it in a size small. So this sports bra was $22.80. It was a little more than the crop top, but I really want to go back and buy like every single color there is. It's just so cute, so supportive, and I can definitely see this being like my favorite thing to wear. The next thing is another sports bra. I just had to stock up. I've never had sports bras from Gymshark, so the fact that they were on sale, I felt like I should get a couple. I got this ombre seamless sports bra. It says that the color is black/light gray, but tell me guys, I don't really see any black. I mean, it's like dark gray down here, but not really black at all. So this sports bra actually covers a decent amount of you. It's very supportive, but I wouldn't say it's as supportive as the Elite sports bra. It does have padding. The padding isn't too hard, and your back is just like your standard sports bra you would get from anywhere. So this sports bra was $19. Would I think about trading this in for another Elite sports bra for $3 more? Definitely, but it's not a bad sports bra if you just want to like cover up and stuff. The next thing I wanted to get like the full legging, but I can only get the cropped legging. It is the Seamless Energy cropped legging, and it's in black. I love this style. I love how comfortable these pants are. The Seamless Energy leggings and the Vital leggings have to be like my favorite so far. It's just these black leggings. It is cropped, so it does kind of go like to my calf. You can't see it now, but it has like the same detail that the green sports bra had. But yeah, these go really high up. They cover my belly button, which is something I look for in the leggings, but I have yet to find until Gymshark. On the back, it just has their Gymshark label, and then down the side of the front, it has their Gymshark name with the little symbol again. These are so supportive and so comfy. They definitely hold like your tummy section in. If you have one, I would definitely recommend getting this. These leggings were $25. Not bad for a sale whatsoever. The next thing, I am obsessed with the color. I am obsessed with the cut and how it looks. I totally wanted to get the leggings to match this. However, it's completely sold out on the Gymshark website, and every time I check back in to see if they're up, they are not. So the thing I am obsessed with is this Energy Seamless crop top in sky blue. This color is radiating. It's so bright and so cute. It's exactly like the green one I showed you guys in the beginning. I got it in a size small. Everything besides the ombre leggings were small. It has this cute little detailing on the back. It does go down pretty low, and look how cute this color is on camera. It's just as cute in person. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the sets, but I will be keeping my eye out for it on the website because I need this set. So this crop top was $20, and it's probably one of the things I'm obsessed with, so goodbye for me. So the last two things that I bought, they were actually a set. It is the Vital Seamless long crop top in indigo, and this is the color of it. It's looking a lot more purple in camera. Maybe it's not. It's just this indigo color. It is a crop top, and it is long sleeve, which I love for the winter. Now, what I think is kind of cool about this shirt is that it has thumb holes. I think the thumb holes might be in like an awkward space for me. I don't know, maybe my arms are just weird. But it is a crop top. It's very comfortable, and it's not too compressive. You can actually breathe in the shirt, unlike these crop tops where it's like sucks you in and like keeps you there. This one kind of lets you breathe, move around, you know, live your life without suffocating. The next thing that of course is the set with it is the Vital Seamless leggings. They are these purple leggings, and they're just super cute. I did get the full size. These Vital Seamless leggings are very cute. The bottoms are very compressive. This thing right here is just like sucks you in and holds you there. Not too tight if you get the right size. All it has is the Gymshark label on the front, and then pretty much nothing else. Instead of the whole detailing like the Energy Seamless has, this has like dots. Like you see all that? That's like a little dot detailing on the leggings. It does have booty contouring right here. You can see it's just like the little dot design, just to help kind of shape out your butt. I'm not complaining, you're not complaining, no one's really complaining. The only problem with me is these were $40. I probably could have got 2 other leggings or 2 other shirts, but this is like their newest release. and it was something I really wanted in a different color, but I just settled for this. $40 for the leggings, and then the crop top was $28. Not so bad because the other shirts were like $20, the sports bra was like $22. So I'm not complaining about this, I just think the leggings were a little expensive. Overall, I am happy with my purchase. I would say it was a 9 out of 10. Yeah. I love Gymshark. Alright guys, that is all for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my little blackout Gymshark haul. If you would like to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. I'm currently having a giveaway where you can win a FabFitFun starter box. That is my previous video, so if you guys want to go check it out, go for it. It ends November 27th, so just make sure you are entered before then. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.